This is the worksheet related to exercise 3-1. The first question in activity 1 is formulate a hypothesis. Here, write your hypothesis. It does not matter if your hypothesis is supported or is disproven. Just write your hypothesis and please write it clearly so that it is clear what your hypothesis is. After 90 minutes, you wouldn't see very much. This would be more like 2 days. You will observe colors of the solution. Remember that the solution started as yellow because of high CO2. High CO2 is high acidity. The two are related. Blue means neutral or basic. Tube number 1, which is exposed to light but does not contain plant material, will be green or more accurately greenish. Tube number 2 that contained plant material and was exposed to light will be blue. The last tube, tube number 3, that was tightly wrapped in foil and therefore should not have been exposed to light but contained plant material, will actually be yellow. Here, please write an explanation of what happened. Was CO2 consumed or not consumed? The next activity is on oxygen production. The rate of oxygen production is actually not determined because we don't have a way to measure the volume per hour. What we looked at is a visual, and without sodium bicarbonate, there is less oxygen released. Please review the manual. The introduction and activity 2 to figure out why NaCO3 correlates with higher oxygen release. The third experiment is based on detection of starch in a coleus leaf. The leaf of coleus we have look like this. We can see them in the lab, but right now I'm going to draw them. And these type of leaves are called variegated. This is what the leaf looks like. You have a border of green material on the edge and the center is white. Everywhere where you have green, that's where you have chloroplasts in the tissue, and the color green is given by the chlorophyll inside the chloroplast. After the entire treatment, and review please the instructions for the treatment, this is what you will see. you will see dark blue in the area where chlorophyll used to be. At this point, you can answer the questions and you can conclude what is the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis, remembering that chlorophyll is essential to capture light energy and drive production of ATP and reduced electron carriers. These electron carriers are needed to fix CO2 into glucose. I hope this was helpful, and this is the end of the video recording. Thank you.